Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video we looked at console.log and looked at its usage for logging and debugging in JavaScript development. In this short video we will cover what are comments and what are the different ways we can put comments in our code. What are comments? Comments are lines of text in the code that are not executed at all. You may ask, if they are not executed, what is their purpose? The JavaScript comments can be used to explain JavaScript code and to make it more readable. How can we use comments? There are two ways you can use comments in JavaScript: single line comments and multi-line comments. The single line comments begin with 2 or double forward slash. Any text between 2 forward slash and the end of the line will be ignored by the JavaScript and will not be executed. And here you can see the example. We have two single line comments at the very beginning of our index.js file. The first one says this is a comment and will not log on to console window. The second one is following line of code will output Bismillah on console window. Both of these two lines, we don't see them having any impact either on the console window or on the page because these are comments. The editor has highlighted those lines as green, indicating that these are single line comments. The single line comments doesn't have to be on its own line. It can be at the end of your JavaScript code. For example, if you look at the line 9 where it says let student name equal Danin, and then we have a comment after that, this line declares a variable and assign values Danin to that variable. And that's a good example of sort of explaining your code. Here we are explaining what this line of code is doing. It's declaring a variable and assigning a value Danin to it. The next one is a similar example on line 11 where we are saying let age equal to 90. This line declares a variable named age and assign value 90 to that variable. So these are two ways of using the single line comment on its own line or at the end of your JavaScript line. Both are valid and they help explain your code. The next one, we see a multi-line comment. The multi-line comment starts with forward slash and asterisk, and then the code of text, or it could be a code of block which you want to comment out, and then you end that with asterisk and a forward slash. So that's how you use multi-line comment. You can also use comments to prevent code from executing. For example, here on line 33, we are going to comment it out, and as soon as we do that, you will see this will go away. So let's do that. So as soon as I did that, you notice that that message has gone out of the console window. Same way you can use multi-line comments to comment out the code so it does not get executed. So for example, here we see two lines, the jump start in minutes. So as soon as I comment out this code, the second line will disappear. So you can see that. So this is how you comment out the code in your JavaScript file so that it doesn't get executed. So that's it for this video. In this video, we learned what are comments and the different ways to use comment. You also saw that we use few variables, and you might be wondering what is that, and that is exactly what we are going to cover in the next video. We will explain what variables are, what's their purpose. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time.